Have you ever wondered how fat burning works in our body? It's a process that's as fascinating as it is essential. You see, fat burning isn't just about shedding those extra pounds or sculpting your dream physique. It has everything to do with how our body functions, how we generate energy, and how we stay healthy. When we talk about fat burning, we're referring to the body's complex ability to convert stored fat into usable energy. Yes, you heard that right. That extra layer of fat around your waist or those love handles you've been trying to get rid of, they're not just idle passengers. They're reserves of potential energy waiting for the right moment to power you through your day, your workout, and your life. So, if you've ever thought of fat as the enemy, it's time to shift that perspective. Buckle up as we dive deeper into the science of how our body burns fat. So what exactly happens when our body starts to burn fat? Well, it all begins with the process of fat metabolism. Picture this. Your body is like an intricate machine, and fat metabolism is one of its complex yet incredibly essential operations. When we consume food, our bodies break down fats or lipids into smaller molecules called fatty acids. These fatty acids are then absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to the cells. Here's where the magic happens. Inside the cells, these fatty acids are broken down through a process called beta oxidation. This process generates a type of energy currency that our bodies can use, known as ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Simply put, ATP powers virtually every activity that takes place within our cells, from muscle contractions to nerve impulses. But that's not the end of the story. This process of fat metabolism is managed and regulated by a host of hormones in our body. Hormones like insulin, glucagon, and adrenaline play pivotal roles in determining how much fat your body burns at any given time. Insulin, for example, is released when we eat. It tells the body to store excess nutrients, including fats, for later use. On the other hand, glucagon and adrenaline are released when we need energy, like during a workout, or when we haven't eaten for a while. These hormones signal the body to break down stored fat and convert it into energy. In essence, our bodies are continually balancing between storing fat for future use and burning it to meet our energy needs. This dance between storage and usage is what keeps us going day after day. The process of fat burning is a fascinating interplay of biological processes, all working in harmony to ensure our bodies have the energy they need to function optimally. It's a testament to the remarkable sophistication and efficiency of the human body. Now that we understand the basics, let's take a closer look at how this process is triggered. What triggers our body to start burning fat? Well, it's like flipping a switch to power up a machine. The three main triggers that kickstart this process are exercise, diet, and fasting. Let's start with exercise. When we engage in physical activity, our body needs energy. Initially, it uses the readily available glucose in our bloodstream. But as we continue to exert ourselves, the body turns to stored fat for energy. This switch happens when our glycogen stores start to dwindle. Now, the intensity and duration of the exercise play a vital role. High-intensity workouts, like sprinting or heavy weightlifting, cause a more immediate shift to fat burning. On the other hand, lower intensity but longer duration activities like a brisk walk or a leisurely bike ride may take a bit longer to tap into fat stores, but they'll get there eventually. Next, we have diet. The food we eat can either fuel our fat burning or put it on hold. A diet high in protein and low in carbohydrates can encourage our body to use fat for energy. That's because protein helps maintain muscle mass, which is key for fat burning, and low carbohydrates mean fewer glucose reserves, forcing the body to use fat for energy. Lastly, there's fasting. When we fast, we deprive our body of new energy sources. This causes the body to dip into our fat reserves for energy. It's like a survival mode where the body optimizes its energy use and prioritizes essential functions. So to recap, exercise, diet, and fasting are the three primary triggers of fat burning. Each works in a unique way, but the end result is the same, turning your body into a fat-burning furnace. But remember, it's not just about flipping the switch. It's also about keeping the machine well-maintained and running efficiently. This means regular exercise, a balanced diet, and healthy lifestyle choices. While these triggers are important, the process doesn't end here. Let's find out what happens next. Once triggered, how does our body continue to burn fat? You may wonder. It's a fascinating journey, and it all starts with a process known as lipolysis. Lipolysis is the breakdown of fats and other lipids to release fatty acids and glycerol. Our body cleverly takes stored fat, breaks it down, and converts it into energy that fuels our daily activities. Now let's talk about the role of oxygen. Oxygen plays a pivotal part in the fat-burning process. It's so crucial that without it, we wouldn't be able to extract the energy from the fat we're trying to burn. During a process called oxidation, the fatty acids broken down from lipolysis combine with the oxygen we breathe. This reaction produces heat, water, and carbon dioxide, providing us with the energy we need. But here's the catch. If you're not taking in enough oxygen, your body can't effectively burn fat. This is why regular exercise is key. When we exercise, we breathe more heavily and draw in more oxygen, which in turn helps to burn more fat. And let's not forget the importance of a balanced diet. While our bodies are designed to burn fat, we need to ensure we're not continuously replenishing those fat stores with unhealthy food choices. Consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats keeps our metabolism buzzing and supports the fat-burning process. Remember, fat burning isn't just about losing weight. It's about providing our bodies with the energy needed to function optimally. It's about feeling good, staying active, and maintaining our overall health. So the next time you're powering through a workout or making mindful food choices, remember the complex process your body is undertaking to convert that stored fat into much-needed energy. This process is vital for our energy needs. But what happens to the fat we burn? Stay tuned as we delve into that in the next segment. Ever wondered where the fat goes when you burn it? Well, the answer isn't as mysterious as you might think. When you exercise or eat fewer calories than you need, your body starts breaking down the stored fat to use as fuel. This process is called lipolysis. The fat cells shrink, and you start to look leaner and more toned. But what happens to that fat once it's been broken down? It's transformed into two main byproducts: carbon dioxide and water. Yes, you heard it right. The fat doesn't just disappear, it changes form. During the energy production process, your body breaks down the fat molecule, a substance called triglyceride, into its basic constituents: oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. These elements combine to form carbon dioxide, or CO2, and water, H2O. But how does the body get rid of these byproducts? Well, the carbon dioxide, which makes up the majority of the fat's mass, is expelled from your body when you exhale. That's right, you breathe out your burned fat. The remainder, the water, is disposed of through your body's natural elimination processes. You sweat it out, you cry it out, or you pee it out. While this might seem a little anticlimactic, it is a crucial part of the fat-burning process. And remember, this process doesn't happen overnight. It requires regular exercise and a balanced diet to maintain healthy fat levels and keep this process going. So next time you're in the middle of a tough workout and you're wondering why you're doing this to yourself, remember, you're not just burning fat. You're turning it into carbon dioxide and water, substances that your body can safely and easily eliminate. Remember, every drop of sweat, every heavy breath is a testament to your hard work paying off, literally helping you breathe and sweat your fat away. So that's the journey of a fat molecule in our body. Let's sum up what we've learned about the fat-burning process. It all starts with understanding the basics, knowing that fat burning is a natural process our bodies undergo to produce energy. The triggers for this process are multifaceted, ranging from physical activity to the types of food we consume. For our fitness enthusiasts, it's crucial to grasp this process. It's not just about losing weight, it's about achieving a state of overall health and wellness. Remember, when you consume fewer calories than your body needs, it turns to stored fat for energy, burning it and helping you shed those pounds. But don't forget the role of regular exercise and a balanced diet in this process. They work in tandem to boost your metabolism and enhance fat burning. It's not about quick fixes or magic solutions. It's about consistency, perseverance, and understanding how your body works. Remember, understanding your body is the first step towards achieving your fitness goals. Here's to burning fat effectively and leading a healthier lifestyle.